Hey guys, so today I ordered this ring for my intake. I seen people have them in car meets, I'd seen them on Instagram, and I finally found a website that sells them. So like always, I'm gonna leave the link below so then you guys can buy them for yourself. Now, I kinda already cut it, but I didn't really get to go through it. So right here, there's instructions on how to do it. So you could order different colors for your car. I know if you have a charger, they also sell parts for a charger. And I have them right here, so I'm gonna open up. So since I have a red Challenger, I couldn't really come up with what color I should get. So I ended up getting red because I feel like it would be great. So I got two of them right here, and you could buy them separately if you only want one, but I bought the two. Now if I remember right, I bought it for like, I want to say it was 100, and they look pretty good. So I'm just gonna read the directions how to install it, and hopefully it could match the same color as my car. So it looks pretty good. Like, it's basically the same color. Alright. So on the Challengers from 2015 and up, they have this little black spot right here, this little circle thing. You could actually take this out. It's pretty easy. I know for the Sky Packs, the Hellcats, they already have this off, and they have like this light up tube. It's pretty cool. I wish my car came with that. But I know for the RTs, the SXTs, and I think the GT, if I remember right, they don't have that. We just have this little black little circle right there. So you could actually take this out though, and I'm gonna show you how to take it out, and then from that we're gonna add this one right here in there. So first thing you're gonna do is take this cupboard protection thing out of here. It's pretty easy. I do need both hands, but you will have to take out this one first, and then you can take out that one. So all I did was just push this up, and then you can easily take it out like that. Pretty easy. So then right here is where the light is. See? Right here. And then you can actually put your hand in here, and you will feel something soft. Basically it's the little black cover. Now back here there should be some clips. You want to push it towards you, like you'll feel them on the edge. Like I already got one. So there'll be one on the upper, and then one on the left side. There was the second one. Oh, and there you go. It just flew out of here. So see, it looked like that. So when it was in there, you want to just push it towards you, 3 sides, and that's it. There you go. That's the opening, and right there's the intake. So it's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna try to clean it up a bit. Oh, it's super dirty. I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna add the tube. So I cleaned it the best I could. One thing I noticed, I'm not sure if other people have the same thing, but there's a big gap right here for my car for some reason. I don't know why. I never noticed it before, but it's pretty weird. Anyways, so I'm gonna add this right here. Now it says just to push it in there. That's what the instructions told me. So I'm gonna push it in there, make it nice and tight. And there you go. gonna do the next side. Okay. So I'm just gonna move this over here. Put this over here. Alright, so basically now you just wanna grab from here and you're gonna push it up a bit. And right here you wanna push it like towards the right side. And that's it. Now I'm gonna put that there. Same thing, you wanna put your arm in here, feel for those little clips, and push it like towards you. So I got one, two, there we go. So same thing. It's pretty dirty. So keep that to the side. And right here you can see the other hole. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna clean that over. Alright, now I'm gonna put the ring here. This is on the right side. And you just wanna push it all the way. And that's it. Pretty easy. Now move back a bit. You can see right there. Now with these, I'll keep them safe. You know, put them somewhere so you don't lose them. Because if you want, you can easily take this back out. You just gotta push it towards you. It's, you gotta like keep going, and you can take it out. Alright, so to put this back, right here, see this little 1 and 2? Those will go right here. 1 and 2. So you wanna put the right side first. So I needed 2 hands, but you put 1 and 2 here first, and then it just sets back. So make sure you put the right side first, and then this one will be the left side. So this part right here, just go on top of that. And then same thing over here, there's like 1 and 2. Those are gonna go to the